Hello guys, welcome to Learning with Prep Class. I am your tutor, Adendu. In this video, I'll be solving questions 66 to 70 from the Aqua Basic Tech 2016 questions. After this video, you would have gained understanding on how to carefully select the correct answer when solving questions in Basic Tech. It's usually fun having you guys around, and I know this video will be an awesome session. Do not forget to like and subscribe on our YouTube channel. You can go the extra mile of leaving a comment so we can communicate for effective learning. Without further ado, let's zoom in. Question 66. Chain drives are used in the following machines except A. Sewing machines, B. Bicycles, C. Elevators, D. Motorcycles. For us to carefully select the correct answer, we need to understand the question, then we analyze one of the options and see which one best answers our question. Now, we are looking at a machine that does not use a chain drive. Now, starting with sewing machines. Sewing machines don't use a chain drive. Rather, it uses a belt drive. So for question 66, our correct answer would be option A, sewing machines. Option B, bicycles. Bicycles make use of a chain drive. It has a chain, so it makes use of a chain drive. So bicycle is not our correct answer. Option C, elevators. Now, we might have not seen the machinery aspect of the elevator. We just enter the elevator and it takes us to whatever floor we are going. But if you are seen behind the elevator, you see the elevators also use chain drives for it to lift the cubical aspect of the elevator that lifts us up and down story buildings. So an elevator makes use of a chain drive. A motorcycle as well makes use of a chain drive. We know a motorcycle to have a chain, so it makes use of a chain drive. So our correct answer to question 66 is option A, sewing machines. Question 66, option A, sewing machines, is our correct answer. Let's look at the next question. Question 67. A device used to connect or disconnect two revolving shafts in a transmission system is known as A. Clutch, B. Brake, C. Gear, D. Axle. For us to carefully select the correct answer, we need to know what the meaning of all of these options are. Then we can carefully select the one that best answers our question. Now, for us to do this, I'm going to be showing us the definitions of all of these options so we can select the one that best answers our question. A clutch is a mechanical device that engages and disengages power transmission, especially from a drive shaft to a driven shaft. And that answers our question because our question says a device which connects or disconnects. So a clutch engages or disengages two revolving shafts in a transmission system. A clutch, a mechanical device that engages or disengages power transmission from a drive shaft to a driven shaft. So a clutch is our correct answer. Let's look at other options and see their definitions, why they are not our correct answer. A brake is a mechanical device that inhibits motion by absorbing energy from a moving system. So a brake stops motion. That's not our correct answer. A gear is a kind of machine element in which teeth are cut around cylindrical or cone-shaped surface with equal spacing. By meshing a pair of these elements, they are used to transmit rotations and force from the driving shaft to the driven shaft. So a gear is just used to enable motion in some machines. So that's my correct answer. An axle is a rod or shaft that rotates the wheel and supports the weight of your vehicle. So this is not also our correct answer. A clutch is our correct answer. Let's look at it. A device used to connect or disconnect two revolving shafts in a transmission system is known as option A, or clutch. Let's look at the next question. Question 68. Which of the following is not a purpose of lubricant? A, to reduce wear, B, to increase motion, C, to prevent corrosion, D, to minimize power loss. For us to carefully select the correct answer, we need to have an understanding of the question, then we analyze all of the options to see which one best answers our question. Now, the purpose of lubricants or the purpose of applying lubrication on a machine, option A, to reduce wearing, that's true. Now, the essence of applying lubrication or lubricants on a machine is to reduce friction. So, in reducing friction, we are going to be reducing the disadvantages of friction or the effects of friction on the machine. And we know one of the effects of friction on the machine is wearing and tearing. And also power loss is also the effect of friction on the machine. So applying lubricants, or the purpose of lubricants is to reduce wear. So that's not our correct answer, because the question says which of the following is not. So it is the purpose of lubricants. To reduce wear is the purpose of lubricants. So that's not our correct answer. Option B, to increase motion. The purpose of lubricants is not to increase motion. It's never to increase motion. And that will be our correct answer. Option B. Option C, to prevent corrosion. Lubricants prevent corrosion. It prevents our materials from corroding, or if it's a material made from iron, it prevents it from rusting. Also, option D, to minimize power loss. Friction brings about power loss, so lubricants help to reduce friction, which in turn minimize power loss. So our correct answer would be to increase motion, option B. Let's look at it. Question 68, option B is our correct answer. Let's look at the next question. Question 69. The device used to convert analog signals to digital signals is known as A, mouse, B, modem, C, transistor, D, capacitor. For us to carefully select the correct answer, we need to analyze all of the options and see which one best answers our question. Now, in looking at this question, you agree with me that such a device used to convert analog signals to digital signals must be a hardware computer device. So next, we are going to be analyzing all of these options to see which one is a hardware computer device. A mouse is a hardware computer device, but it is not used for this. It's not used for these assignments. A modem is a hardware computer device used for this. We know a mouse is used to move our cursor, so it's not used to convert analog signals to digital signals. A modem is a hardware computer device used to convert analog signals to digital signals. A transistor is an electrical device, likewise a capacitor. So option B, modem, would be our correct answer. We're also going to be looking at this explanation to give us a better conviction that option B is our correct answer. So modem is a combined device for modulation and demolition, for example, between the digital data of a computer and the analog signal of a phone line. So this is our correct answer. Let's look at it. Question 69, option B, modem, is our correct answer. Let's look at the next question. Question 70. Which of the following is not a mechanical fastener? A, soldering, B, screws, C, bolts and nuts, D, stud. For us to carefully select the correct answer, we need to have an understanding of the question, then we analyze all of the options and see which one best answers our question. Now, what is a mechanical fastener? A mechanical fastener is a device or an instrument used to hold mechanical devices together. It's a device, an object, or an instrument used to hold mechanical devices together. Now, option A, soldering, is not a mechanical fastener. It is an electrical fastener, because we know we use soldering in holding electrical devices together, especially in our electrical circuits or in our electrical panels. So soldering is used to hold electrical device, wires and the rest together. So this is our correct answer. Screws, they are mechanical fastener used to hold mechanical devices together. Bolts and nuts are also mechanical fastener used to hold mechanical devices together. Likewise, stud is a mechanical fastener used to hold mechanical devices together. So our correct answer will be option A, soldering. Let's look at it. Question 70, option A, soldering is our correct answer. Alright, this is how far we can go with this video. I hope we had fun. Our answers came out quite easy when we analyzed our options. I'm also using this time out to ask us to join our WhatsApp group using this link below, so we can get updates on more videos to come, and we can ask questions and comment on the previous videos we've seen. It's usually fun having you guys around. Till I come your way again. Bye.